Make up to $3,000 on complete Autopilot, no matter where you're coming from, and most importantly, for free. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a lot of money using a site probably most of you have never heard about before. Anyways, just before I show you everything, if you like this type of content, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below. And if you don't want to miss out on any said videos, then make sure you click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified whenever a new video pops up. With that said, guys, let's now jump straight into the video itself. Okay, so let's get right to it. The site we'll be using today to get paid is called Kicksta.co. This site is, as you can see, where you can get real Instagram followers, and we know that it's legit thanks to the bunch of huge companies showcased on here, like Forbes, for example. Now, the thing with this website is that it doesn't get you followers by you buying them. Instead, what you need to do is find profiles similar to your own, since their followers may like your page too. As you can see, what happens from there is Kicksta essentially does all the work for you. Kicksta will like posts of people who follow profiles similar to yours on your behalf. Just keep adding relevant profiles to get the maximum exposure. And in this fashion, people will see you in their notifications, and chances are they will want to follow you back simply because they're following pages similar to your own. Because you engage with similar audiences, some of those people will follow you back. As long as you post quality content frequently, success is guaranteed. So as you can see, guys, like I said, you don't get followers with this site by simply buying them outright. You instead get people who might like your page to follow you. So don't worry, we won't be paying this site whatsoever because, as I said, we're talking about a free strategy here. That, of course, begs the question, what are we doing here? How will this get us paid? Well, we will be promoting it as an affiliate. And don't click off, guys, because this site is arguably one of the highest paying sites out there. And I'll show you exactly how to find targeted traffic. In any case, you now need to scroll down to the bottom of this page and then simply click on affiliates right here. So this is basically where you'll sign up to become an affiliate. And when you do so, you'll get an affiliate link. And whenever someone signs up via that link, you get paid. How much? Well, check this out below. This site offers you 50% commissions. This is why I said it pays a lot of money. This is one of the highest paying sites as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. For most websites, you're lucky to get 30%. This site offers you 50%. Now, in case you don't know much about affiliate marketing, what 50% commissions means is that you get to keep 50% of the money that a customer you referred here paid Kicksta, which, as I said, is huge. Apart from that, however, they also have some very nice features as well. A 45-day cookie lifespan, 100% timely payouts so you always get paid on time, monthly newsletters with cool features and deals. Here you can see that you will actually get bonuses and get paid more money, which is awesome to say the least. And finally, you will have access to an affiliate management team. All great features, guys. On the bottom of the page, you can read some testimonials and frequently asked questions, but I won't go over them. What I instead want to show you is how much money we're actually talking about, because a 50% commission doesn't mean anything if the prices are low. Clicking on pricing will show you exactly how much money we're talking about. And on this page, you can see that they have two pricing plans, Standard and Premium, which cost $50 and $150 respectively. So if someone grabs the Standard plan and you get paid $25, which is a decent amount of money for just a single customer, guys, not to mention the fact that many will go for the Premium one as well. Regardless, though, if you get 100 people to sign up to the Standard plan, ignoring the Premium one for now, that means you make $2,500, which is quite a bit. Moreover, I will be showing you a traffic source that will allow you to literally reach thousands of people out there. Anyways, something I have to mention because it's a fantastic feature that I think makes this site even better is the fact that it has a 14-day money-back guarantee. This is very important because people don't want to give away their money just like that, and rightly so, which is why when you tell them that there is a 14-day money-back guarantee, there is a much better chance that they will give Kicksta a try. And when they see how much it is helping them, I can guarantee you that they will want to keep using it and thus earn you more money. All in all, this site is fantastic to promote as an affiliate, guys. To get started, just come over here and then click on sign up. Enter in your first and last names, email address, and password. Complete this CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm not a robot. Tick this box and then click on sign up now to create your brand new account. With that all done, let me show you how you'll be able to get traffic to your affiliate link. Believe it or not, Google will be helpful here. Now, something we'll be doing here is very similar to something we did in one of my previous videos. What you want to do, guys, is search for a city or town and a business. For example, it can be gyms in some city or whatever, or a store of some sort. Literally any business in any town or city that you can think of anywhere around the globe. I decided to search for bars in Philadelphia. As you can see, what you want to do when you search for a business type is scroll down and click on View All right here. This will show me all the bars in Philadelphia, and as you can see, there are a lot of them. What you now need to do is randomly pick one of these and click on them. Now your next step is to click on the website here. That will take you over to their website, obviously, and it's on their website that we can see if they have any social media accounts, and most businesses nowadays do, simply because they understand the value and importance of online marketing. The info about their social media can be generally found at the bottom or top of the page. Either way, for this page, it's located right here, and I just have to click on Instagram in order to open their account. Now, not all businesses will have Instagram accounts, and how many of them do depends highly on the type of business we're talking about. If they don't have an account, then move on to the next business until you find one. The second important thing is that you want the said account to not have too many followers, because if they do, they won't be interested in using Kicksta. If they have less than 10,000 followers, then that's fantastic, and this one, as you can see, only has about 2,000. What you'll now do, guys, is simply contact these people and tell them that there's a site that will increase their number of followers for a very cheap price, and that more followers will make them look far more appealing to future customers and will get them more customers in general. This strategy works, guys, and the reason is, first off, because most businesses nowadays have Instagram accounts. But most said businesses don't have that many followers on those very same accounts. And since we're talking about businesses, the second and arguably more important fact is that they'll have a bigger budget and some money to spare, which is exactly why they are the perfect customers. They have the money to spare, and they'll also need the followers Kicksta will bring them. You get paid, they get their followers, which will increase the number of customers they will get. So literally, everybody wins. And you can just repeat this same process with other businesses all around the globe. You will never run out of customers, and that is the best thing about this strategy. And with that is it for today's video. As always, if you like this content and you'd like to see more, support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. If you want to keep up to date with all my future uploads, then click that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you for watching, and see you soon in some of my other videos. Make up to